Hello everyone, I am Jennel and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be cooking baked breaded sea bream fish fillet with sage and pine nuts. So this is actually one of your most favorite ways of cooking fish fillets, and this is such a very simple, fast and easy recipe that I just want to share to all of you guys. So without further ado, let's now get into the video. So today we are going to be cooking breaded fish fillet with sage and pinoli nuts. First, of course, we have here our fish fillets. I am using sea bream fish fillets. Look how pretty are they. So these are actually fresh. You can use whatever fish fillet you have at home or what you prefer. And then we have here 1/2 of a cup of sage. So it looks like this. Here in Italy, they call this salvia. I love the smell of salvia. So avoid putting a lot because of course we don't want to overpower the real taste of the fish. So I guess 1/2 of a cup would be enough or maybe less. And then we have here 15 grams of pinoli nuts, 1 teaspoon of pepper, 2 to 3 teaspoons of salt. Here I am using Himalayan salt, but you can use whatever salt you have at home. 1 cup of breadcrumbs. You can also use whatever kind of breadcrumbs you have at home. And lastly, some olive oil. So let's get started. Preheat your fan oven at 300 degrees Celsius. So first, pat dry your fish fillets. I already washed all of these earlier. So next, we are just gonna combine all the dry ingredients here inside. So much better if you have an immersion blender like this. It would be very easy for you to mix everything well. And lastly, our sage. I think this is actually lesser than 1/2 of a cup. And then we are gonna blend all of these together. That's it. And then your mixture will now look like this. So first, I like putting just a little bit of oil at the top of the fish fillet. In that way, you are sure that you can coat the fish fillets evenly. And then now we are gonna transfer our breadcrumbs mixture here. You can put it also in a plate, but I like putting it here, something like this, so that I won't be messing up a lot. And just to make sure, I also put a cloth at the bottom so that I can catch all those mess later. Now let's start coating the fish fillets. We have to coat it evenly. Yum! That's it. Perfectly coated. So don't throw immediately the remaining breadcrumbs because we are gonna use this later pa. And then here I already lined our baking pan with a parchment paper, and then we are gonna sprinkle some olive oil, and then we can already transfer our fish fillets. Olive oil first. I'll just do it like that. And then let's put our fish fillets. And then using these remaining breadcrumbs, we are gonna sprinkle some at the top of each fish fillets. Lastly, we are just gonna sprinkle some olive oil at the top of each fish fillet. Not a lot. And then we are now ready to pop this into the oven. And after 15 minutes, yum! Our breaded fish fillet is now ready. If you can only smell my kitchen right now, so yummy.